Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Patrick Escabayas, representing the most active and most enthusiastic of all groups, the Group One! I truly believe that being simple is the best way to help others. HIV, other diseases, that is just only way where God gave us this challenge. I know that this challenge will be faced by myself. We all can face this. I know that each problem has a solution, and a problem without solution is not a problem. I know that me, myself, could be a good youth leader for all. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Next up.